one. Blew up this SUV mattress in the back there. Fits nicely. Valdez. Step 2, 3 inches of memory foam mattress I cut to shape on top of that. Step 3, 1 more memory foam mattress. This is like 4 inches thick, so I'm on a lot of memory foam here, and an air mattress. Ridiculous amount of memory foam. Now, satin sheets, my pillow, down comforter. Almost there. Got some privacy curtains up. I'll still wear a sleep mask because I need one for those little side windows right there, but pretty comfy. Right there. Woo! Hang on, boys, hang on. Reel now. Oh shit! Whoa! Get back to the rail. Get back to the rail. He's moving. Oh my gosh! Keep him away from the water. Try to get him out here, guys. Nice work. I've never seen him move that fast. You don't like that hard, do you? Come on, Dang! You got him. Nice work. All right, back on up for me, guys. Keep that bad boy. Woo!
Come on, Bob.
That's what I'm talking about. Shit. Way to go, man. Nice work, dude. Thanks for that, yeah. Lucas. Thank you, everyone. Oh, yeah. Just missed it, too. Do it again. There's a group of them. If I cover you guys, one is this bucket and just tilt it a little, and you can see that. Who's missing? You getting in here? That is a
Well, the annual trip to Valdez was a success. Welcome to there's a moose running, seeing a lot of wildlife today. As always, I did not take enough time to come down to Valdez. You really need to take 5 days at least so you can go to McCarthy, do the whole McCarthy thing, explore around the area, camp, and then go to Valdez and enjoy Valdez. But as always, I went with Valdez Saltwater Adventures. I saw orca whales. It was just an amazing experience, but I've got so much stuff to do that I just wanted to bomb down and bomb up. I met a couple people that were fans of the channel. A guy from Pennsylvania I had an interesting talk with. He was a really cool guy, and he recognized me. And my one spot that I love, I don't know if it's Mineral Creek Trail or whatever, this 4x4 spot that just goes out into the mountains. There's a bunch of people there. I think because it's like midsummer. Usually when I go down there, it's very early summer or very late season. So not surprised that, you know, people find out about it, but that's all right. Everybody can enjoy it. It's not an official campground. It's just probably the most beautiful boondocking place I've ever been. But since I didn't have the dog, I didn't have kids, I just kind of practiced my stealth camping. Stealth camping is just so quick because there's no takedown. I literally just threw the cooler of fish in the back, got some ice, got some food, jumped in the 4Runner, and now I'm heading back. Anyways, that's a wrap for this episode. I hope to do a few more this summer as I just enjoy camping, and I appreciate all the viewers and taking you along for the ride. See you guys next episode.